In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to tap on System section over here. Then hit Keyboard, tap on On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Now you can finally hit Text Correction and tap on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that mine was successfully enabled. Quick tip: if you ever want to use text correction options or access any keyboard options with your suggestion strip activated, you can do that by clicking on this gear at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!